paano magsimula ng negosyo sa bahay gamit ang 20,000 piso na kapital. Alam mo ba na sa halagang 20,000 piso, pwede ka nang magsimula ng negosyo kahit nasa bahay ka lang? Hindi mo kailangang maging milyonaryo para makapagsimula. Kailangan mo lang ng tamang ideya, diskarte, at sipag. Welcome to The Change for the Better. Ito ang channel na magpapaalala sa iyo ng tunay na success sa buhay. Part 1. Why start a home-based business? Mas mababa ang gastos. Walang renta, minimal na bills, flexible schedule. Perfect for moms, students, employees. More time with family habang kumikita. Ika-isa. Online selling via Lazada, Shopee na may capital na 5,000 piso hanggang 15,000 piso. Kung mahilig ka sa gadgets or beauty products, baka ito na ang para sa iyo. Mula sa bahay, pwede ka nang magbenta online gamit lang ang phone mo. Start by buying affordable trending products in bulk, example phone accessories, skincare, etc. Use Facebook Marketplace or TikTok for visibility. Shipping can be outsourced via courier partnerships. Second, home baking or cooking, may capital na 10,000 piso hanggang 20,000 piso. Kung mahilig kang magluto o mag-bake, gawin mong negosyo. Masarap na patok pa. Start with cookies, ulam trays, or bottled sauces. Use your own kitchen and social media for promo. Invest in ingredients, packaging, and utensils. 3 prepaid load at e-wallet services na may capital na 3,000 piso hanggang 7,000 piso. Kahit maliit ang puhunan, malaki ang kitaan lalo na kung ikaw ang lapitan ng kapitbahay para sa load at padala. GCash, Paymaya, Smart Padala, Reseller Setup. Minimal gadgets needed, smartphone lang sapat na. Fourth, t-shirt printing or personalized items, may capital na 15,000 piso hanggang 20,000 piso. Kung mahilig ka sa arts at may konting tech skills, pwede kang kumita sa paggawa ng personalized items. Buy heat press machine mini, shirts, and vinyl materials. Start with made-to-order designs for events or birthdays. Graphic design or freelancing with a capital na 5,000 piso hanggang 10,000 piso. Kung may skills ka sa design, gamitin mo ito para kumita online, kahit nasa kwarto ka lang. Invest in online tools like Canva and basic equipment. Offer logo, layout, or social media packages. Can be started via Fiverr, Upwork, or Facebook groups. Plant selling or gardening kits, may capital na 3,000 piso hanggang 7,000 piso. Kung plantito o plantita ka, bakit hindi gawing negosyo ang green passion mo? Pot plants, succulents, herbs, sell kits for beginners. Use recycled pots and local markets. High demand, especially in urban areas. 7 home salon services, initial capital na 10,000 piso hanggang 15,000 piso. Maraming nagpapagupit o nagpapaayos mula bahay, ikaw na ang susunod nilang tatawagin. Haircutting, nail care, massage, or eyebrow threading. Invest in basic tools and training. Perfect for moms or caregivers with beauty skills. 8 online tutoring na may capital na 2,000 piso hanggang 5,000 piso. Kung mahilig kang magturo, pwede kang kumita habang tumutulong sa mga estudyante. Teach basic subjects or English online. Use free Zoom or Google Meet. Invest in headset and lighting. Siyam na digital content creation, meron capital na 10,000 piso hanggang 15,000 piso. Maraming content creators ang nagsimula sa zero. Ikaw na ang susunod kung ilalaban mo. Vlogging, TikTok content, YouTube Shorts, small camera, or even your phone can be used. Monetization comes via brand deals or ads 10. Ukay-ukay online selling, meron din kapital na 5,000 piso hanggang 10,000 piso. From ukay to raket, kayang-kaya mo yan. Basta may tiyaga at creative ka sa pag-market. Source items from thrift warehouses. Sell curated styles on Facebook Live or Shopee. Target Gen Z, students, fashionistas. Kita mo? Hindi mo kailangan ng milyon para magsimula. Ang kailangan mo lang ay sipag, diskarteng Pinoy, at 20,000 piso na puhunan. Choose one idea, commit to it, and take that first step today. Start building your dream business even on a tight budget. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell for more weekly content on negosyo, pera, and self-growth.